Hey, so if your downloads are not working on WeTransfer, yeah, that can be really frustrating, especially when you're trying to access important files. Maybe the download won't start or keeps failing halfway. In this guide, I'll walk you through step-by-step fixes to solve this issue. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Downloads can easily fail if your connection drops or becomes slow. Next, try refreshing the page. Yeah, sometimes it's just a temporary glitch and a quick refresh can fix it. Also, check if the download link has expired. Free WeTransfer links usually expire after a few days, so if it's old, that could be the problem. You can try opening the link in another browser. Just to rule out any browser-related issues. If you're using extensions or a VPN, disable them temporarily since they can block downloads. Make sure your device has enough storage space too, because downloads won't start if there isn't enough room. You can also try downloading the file on another device, just to see if the issue is specific to your current setup. And if nothing works, the best option is to ask the sender to resend the files with a new link. So yeah, that's how to fix WeTransfer download not working issues. One of these steps should help you get your files without any problems. Hey, so